Sans 10142 to 1 of 2017. Compliance 7.1. Question. Give 18 topics regarding notices, labels, and rating plates. Answer. 1. Position of concealed distribution board. 2. Switch disconnectors for distribution boards. 3. Identification of ring circuits. 4. Identification of incoming and outgoing distribution boards. 5. Lamming labels on distribution boards and sub-CLR quits of. 6. Position of readily accessible earthing terminal for other services. 7. Alterations or changes to a distribution board. 8. Series connected, cascaded systems. 9. Standard socket outlets not on 30 mA earth leakage or with a rated tripping current higher than 30 mA. 10. Socket outlets powered from a safety supply or dimmer control. 11. Circuit controlled by circuit breaker. 12. Load and line markings on circuit breakers used switches. 13. Main switch disconnectors in the case of multi-supplies. 14. Disconnecting devices with remote control on ES. 15. Disconnecting devices other than switch disconnectors. 16. Maximum permissible current rating of protected circuits. 17. Earthing terminal for other services. 18. More than one phase or circuit in an enclosure.